Hey everyone, this video is for one of my favorite subscription boxes. This is for March's Dermstore BeautyFIX box. I absolutely love this box and it has introduced me since I started my channel, and I started this box the same time I started the channel. So this definitely opened up healthy skincare for me along with the makeup. So this is a really, really badass box to try. Excuse my language. But yeah, so if you want to see about this box or what I got for March, stay tuned. All right, so BeautyFIX comes in this really cool powdery blue box, which is a lot different from most boxes, I guess. I don't really have any blue boxes. Just a pain in the butt to open. I have not replaced my letter opener since Christmas time, and I'm really mad. So the flap opens up, and then there is their social media, and it always says healthy skin and hair start here. And then the insert is there. Let me lift it up and show you guys. So the insert has the products and prices, and then they have the white tissue paper, part of their signature box. And we'll open this up. I don't think I've seen the sneak peeks for this month's box, so last month's box was really, really cool. If you guys want to see that, check that out on here. They did an amazing job last month. All right, let's dig in. Looking from the insert, it looks like there's 8 things in this box. I don't know why I think there's 9 though. We'll see. So the first thing I pulled is by SkinCeuticals. It's the CE Furlic. Enjoy the great outdoors with the threat of without the threat of environmental damage. So this is the antioxidant, protects against environmental damage caused by free radicals, improves appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and brightens skin's complexion. There's like a whole insert in here. Dermstore is big on doing stuff like that. They don't give prices on their insert. And I want to get this out and show you guys. SkinCeuticals always, that I know of, sends it in these little dark bottles, because whatever's in this product is not supposed to be exposed to the sunlight. It could change the formula. So that, yeah, it comes in this little dropper. This is a company that we all know. It's Murad. It's the Revital Elixir Recovery Serum for face and eyes. I got it in 5 mLs. And it just says nourish your skin with vital nutrients while erasing visible signs of stress. God knows I need this. One thing I hate is I never get a really nice size of anything Murad in this box. And I love Murad products. They're super expensive. That's probably why. This is still a really nice pumpy bottle to test out and see if you like it. God knows I can stretch skincare products like you would not believe. This product is really... I never knew. Okay. This is Strivectin. But for some reason, I feel like this is by Nia. I don't know. Oh, it says Nia 1 for technology. All right, so we got this Strivectin, which is a moisturizer. So this product, to me, I've only known it to be for stretch marks. The Strivectin, and this is in 10 mLs. Anytime I've seen advertisement for it, I just heard them advertising about stretch marks, and this is supposed to help with that. But now they're starting to tell us that it's for it's intensive, concentrated for wrinkles. And I wouldn't have known that. They did change it on here from what I believe. I don't think it was on there before. But also I was reading on Subscription Addictions page. Somebody commented about this. I'm like big on reading comments. And I did see somebody write that they were using this on wrinkles, that it's not enough to try out on, this size is not big enough to try on stretch marks. But they were able to use it on wrinkles, and it does encourage that in their insert and on the packaging. Pretty interesting. This company we all know of, and this is, I believe, yeah, First Aid Beauty. So that's what, if the light doesn't reflect. This is the Eye Duty Triple Remedy AM Gel Cream. There we go. I have not tried this before. I have tried a lot of products from them, and I welcome a whole lot of, eye products. I don't get enough. This is supposed to be really, really good, though. I did read a lot about it. It's hydrate, firm, and rejuvenate, and it's also sensitive, good for sensitive skin. And on here and where I've read it online, it was voted from Allure like the best in 2018. So that is really nice to try. Have you guys tried this one yet? 15 mLs is more than enough for me to try for like a month. So that'll be hopefully a game changer for me. Maybe we can document that with my mirror and see if it does anything. I like to see the before and afters. This product is really hefty. And I'm really excited because it looks like something that I could definitely use. It's in 75 mLs. It's Color Wow Color Security Shampoo. It says, keep your new spring hair color in contact with this hydrating, sulfate-free shampoo. This is definitely enough for me to try at least twice. Use a lot of shampoo. Sorry, guys. Again, this is like the second video I did tonight where emergency response is like on the other side of the water out back of my house is a hospital. So it's kind of crazy sometimes. So yeah, I'm really excited about that shampoo. And it's a nice size for me to try and see if it works. Now that I'm back to the red, if you guys have ever tried reds, they wash out like so fast. This is the second time I've dyed my hair red since I changed it back. And I think it's only been like a month and a half. It's crazy. It's another cool product. I've never heard of this company and I am so happy to try them. It says Diva Curl. That's the company? I believe so. Yeah. Diva Curl Wash Day Wonder Pre-Cleanse Slip Detangler. And it's in 1.5 mLs. Or 1.5 ounces, sorry. It is super bright in here. And this also is 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. Pre-cleanse slip detangler. Before cleansing, smooth in to soaking wet curls in sections till the product is thoroughly saturated. Wash out with your cleanser, then condition and style as usual. I haven't tried a product like this before. We'll see. Have you guys tried this before? Have you heard of them? Diva Curl. Sounds really cool. I think I've heard of them before. This was a product that I heard about was going to be in our box, but I didn't know for sure. It's by Hydropeptide. It's an oh, it's scratched off. Sorry. Exfoliating cleanser. Energizes renewal anti-wrinkle cream cleanser in 50 mLs. Is that right? Or 1.69 ounces. So it's like, it's a cleanser. It's a nice size. It says energize and renew dull winter skin. Start the season with a healthy glow. I really need to get back on my skincare routine. Triple action peptides, glycolic acid, and jojoba beads. Very cool. Have you guys tried this one? I have not, and I'm excited about it. I think we have one thing left. Boo. This is the last thing, and I did some research on this, and I read people's comments on it, on other people's, like, I guess it was subscription addiction, I think. I don't know. This is Skin Inc. Vitamin C Serum. It says, achieve a radiant, fresh from vacation glow with the vitamin C, with this vitamin C serum. You see the little bubble, little, what do you call it? The beads in there. And, the directions on here says 3 drops twice daily before applying moisturizer. Because this is so tiny, and from what I understand, this is their full size. I've seen a lot of recommendations for adding this to other skincare products to stretch it out when you're applying it. So I'm going to do some more research on it. It is, you can see it moving around there, so it's not super duper thick, but there isn't a lot in here. Unless you're doing like little spots and you're very moderate with application, can make this last a while. So what do you guys think about this box? I think Dermstore is getting more and more popular. I'm seeing a lot of people do unboxings for them now. So I'm really happy. I feel like with our makeup that we're doing, and we're all doing channels and videos and constantly putting makeup on, most of us, not me, but you definitely have to implement a good skincare routine into every day. Don't go to sleep with makeup on, you guys. And, you know, just, even if you don't want to do all this crazy stuff that I do, or some of us do with the layering of products, at least wash your face at night. I can't tell you guys enough. And it's never too late to start a healthy skincare routine. Seriously. It's not even just makeup. Outside, the environment is crappy. Polluted air, stress, everything. just try to keep up your skin. Drink a lot of water too. Water helps a lot. I'm learning all these things now, and I'm pushing 40. Not trying to preach to you guys, and I do it every month. I am so sorry. I am just, like I said, since I started this channel, I never was good with skincare. I'd go to bed with makeup on. God, I don't even know. I had like the worst habits. And then I got Dermstore just to have a subscription to try on here, not really knowing too much about the box. And it just kept giving me these really cool skincare products. And I'm like, all right, well, they can't just sit here. So that's how I started using stuff like that. And then I would look up and see like what steps to use them in. And I'm starting to see a lot of differences in my face. Today shouldn't be counted for it. You know, I've been sick and stuff, but I am starting to see a lot of changes, and I am pushing 40. So to me, it's very important. We only get the skin we live in once, right? We got to make do with it. Anyway, enough babbling and preaching. Love you guys. Thank yous for watching. I'm done preaching, you guys. I'll probably do it again next month like I do every month. It's only because I love yous, though, and I want everybody to have good skincare. Plus, your makeup sits better on your face when your skin is healthy. We'll go with that one, right? Anyway, let me know what you guys think about Dermstore. Any of the products in the box, have you tried them? Or are you curious about them? Comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button. And I have a couple more videos to do. So I'm going to try and squeeze these in for tonight. And then take, I guess, tonight and tomorrow to upload. So many of them. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. And I will talk to you again real soon. Bye.